I'm Nadine Vosloo and welcome to another creative how-to video with Tjhoko Paint. So sit back, relax and let's have fun with Tjhoko Paint. Copper leaf, silver leaf, gold leaf are beautiful accents to add to almost any surface. You can be creative with it, create art with it, or just subtly add some accents to your surface. The way you do it is completely up to you. I'm just going to give you ideas on how to do it. So firstly, what you need is some Tjhoko Paint's clear glaze, and this actually acts as the glue medium that keeps your gold leaf, copper leaf or silver leaf in position and adheres it to the surface. I have two different surfaces in front of me, but you can now imagine with me, this can be done on the legs of a furniture piece. It can be beautiful accents on the drawers of a chest of drawers. It can be beautiful if you are arty or want to experiment it on a wall surface with copper leaf or silver leaf or gold leaf, a dragging technique, a trowel technique, a stencil technique. So you do what makes you happy. I'm firstly going to apply this on my surface that has some texture. This can also be a smooth surface. So the surface doesn't matter. I just want to be creative and create with it. So we have a video that shows Stencil of Paris and how to create a raised stencil effect. Please refer back to that if you need more inspiration. The color that I've used is Laughingly. There's some texture. And now I'm going to decide where I want to apply my gold leaf. So the gold leaf actually comes in packaging that looks like this. And I am applying some glaze on my painted surface that has dried for at least 4 hours. And I'm just going to be creative and playful. So I'm just randomly painting some glaze on my surface, small areas at a time, because it dries rather quickly. And I still need to be playful and want to be playful. I take a sheet of my gold leaf, important, clean hands. I put it on my surface. I use a dry brush and just press it down in position. This is a very forgiving medium, so you can add more gold leaf. Later you can sand away. We can do a dabbing technique on the sheets. So first step is to decide where you want to add the gold leaf. On the areas where you don't want any gold leaf to adhere to the surface, you just simply miss those spots and don't add glaze there. I'm going to repeat this process on the one side of my board, dab hard with my dry brush to make sure everything sits properly, and then I'll show you what happens next. How beautiful is this? But we are actually not done. Things you can add. I have texture on my surface that I do want to accentuate, and how I'm going to achieve that is just to lightly sand with a 100 grit piece of sandpaper. Let me show. An extra touch that can be added if you want to hide something or just want to add color onto your gold leaf. You can use a paintbrush. I like to use a sponge just because you get a very even distribution of texture. And what I do is I just dab certain areas, just mute the leaf here and there. And just to make sure that everything is intact is glued together, I'll finish this off by an extra coat of glaze painted onto my surface. I am done with my gold leaf. I've enjoyed every minute doing this, and I think this is only one of the great advantages of Tjhoko: creative freedom. Enjoy the process, don't just paint it, Tjhoko it. Like and subscribe to this channel and turn on those notifications.